Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to transfer funds from your Regions Bank account to your Cash App account step by step. So let's get started. So first log into your Regions online banking account. This is the method 1 here. I'll just tell you another method that works faster than this one. So first try the regular method. So which is now you need to log in. Now keep listening as I'll go over it. So once you logged in and go to the transfer money and pay tab. Now under transfer money option and you will see external money transfers, and this will allow you to send money to accounts outside of Regions Bank. So in this case you will be sending to Cash App. So you'll need a Cash App account details and go to your Cash App website and log in to get your account details. Alright, then fill that account details like Cash App routing and account numbers into the required fields and save the details. Regions may ask you to verify this account with micro deposits. Once your Cash App account is verified, you can return to external money transfers. Alright, and then select from where you can use select your Regions account and the two to your Cash App account. Then, as with any transfers, you can choose your delivery speed and confirm. After confirming, transfer will be processed. Like standard transfers might take 3 to 5 days and may include incorrect fee. So another way, this is the regular method. So another way I found is that when you add your bank in the Cash App, all right. So like this step, so you can choose link your credit card, all right. Or if you add your link bank, you just make sure to click continue and you then add the debit card of your Regions Bank. And if you can do that, you can easily like add money to your Cash App or use that debit card to pay someone else using your Cash App. And that's I think this method is much better. Just make sure you have your Regions Bank debit card or credit card and you link it following the steps shown here. Right, tap the profile account, then select the link bank, tap link bank, follow the prompts, etc. And you can also modify your link bank, and that's it. You have successfully transferred money from Regions Bank to Cash App. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.